Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 16th, 2025, and we're diving into Alibaba Group's latest earnings report for the March quarter and fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Alibaba's latest results are quite intriguing, especially with their strategic focus on AI and cloud services. I'm excited to break down the numbers and insights with you today.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Alibaba reported a revenue of $32.6 billion for the March quarter, marking a 7% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Alibaba's revenue growth is primarily driven by its cloud intelligence group, which saw an 18% increase, and the Taobao and Tmall group, which grew by 9%. The demand for AI-related products and services has been a significant contributor, alongside a strong performance in their international commerce retail business.
And what about profitability?
Income from operations nearly doubled to $3.9 billion, a 93% increase year over year. This was largely due to improved operating efficiency and a decrease in non-cash share-based compensation expenses. Net income also saw a substantial rise, reaching $1.7 billion, up 1,203% from the previous year, thanks to favorable mark-to-market changes from equity investments.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Alibaba's adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.73, surpassing the forecasted $1.27 by analysts. John, what does this EPS beat indicate about Alibaba's financial health?
This EPS beat is a strong indicator of Alibaba's robust financial health and operational efficiency. The company's strategic investments in AI and cloud technologies are paying off, and their ability to exceed expectations suggests they are effectively managing costs and driving revenue growth in key areas.
How significant is this beat in the context of the broader market?
It's quite significant. Beating EPS forecasts by such a margin can boost investor confidence and potentially lead to positive market reactions. It underscores Alibaba's capability to navigate challenges and capitalize on growth opportunities, particularly in the tech-driven segments of their business.
Strategic initiatives and segment performance. Alibaba's strategic focus on AI and cloud services seems to be a major growth driver. Can you elaborate on the performance of these segments?
Absolutely. The Cloud Intelligence Group reported an 18% revenue increase, with AI-related products achieving triple-digit growth for the seventh consecutive quarter. This highlights Alibaba's leadership in AI and cloud technologies. Additionally, Taobao and Tmall's customer management revenue grew by 12%, reflecting successful investments in user experience and monetization strategies.
What about their international commerce segment?
The Alibaba International Digital Commerce Group saw a 22% revenue increase, driven by strong cross-border business performance. This growth is particularly impressive given the competitive pressures in global e-commerce, showcasing Alibaba's strategic positioning and execution in international markets.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about Alibaba's operational efficiencies and their future outlook. What stands out to you?
Alibaba's operating margin improved to 12%, reflecting their focus on cost management and operational efficiency. They also repurchased $11.9 billion worth of shares, reducing outstanding shares by 5.1%, and announced a $4.6 billion dividend distribution. Looking ahead, Alibaba plans to continue driving growth through AI and cloud services, which they see as key engines for long-term success.
How do these initiatives position Alibaba for the future?
These initiatives position Alibaba well for sustainable growth. By focusing on high-margin, tech-driven segments like AI and cloud, and returning value to shareholders through buybacks and dividends, Alibaba is reinforcing its competitive advantages and preparing for future market opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, Alibaba has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with significant growth in revenue and profitability and a notable EPS beat. Their strategic focus on AI and cloud services, along with shareholder-friendly initiatives, positions them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Alibaba's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Alibaba's performance in the comments below. Until next time.